Here we have a set of 2004 GSXR750 clocks that I've fitted blue backlighting and a gear position indicator to. So when I turn them on, you get the sweep blue backlighting, and then as you select each gear, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, you get those patterns. If the kill switch is in operation, you get a warning which you can change from one of 5 or 6, I think. 5, I think. I'll leave it on that one. When in gear at night, you can dim it slightly if it's too bright for you, to one of 5 different settings. I'll leave it on the full brilliance. And that's about it. The trip and clock and everything are all functional as you would expect. And if I give it some speed and RPM, there's a bit of speed, wind that up. Let's go. I think that goes up to about 186. Yep. Wind that back. And some RPM. If I set the shift indicator, once you go over 13,000 RPM, you get the warning light come on. So that comes in as you reach 13,000. Just turn your miles off so you're not clocking up mileage and RPM. Anyway, they'll be on their way back to you tomorrow, I expect. Actually, just put it back in neutral. Hope you like them.